I'm Mark Diener with Ulabo USA. I'd like to review some of the products that we have on display here. In this case, we have a small mini plant reactor setup where we have a 50 milliliter reactor with a condenser on top. So we're trying to simulate a setup in a laboratory where the HL product here would serve as the heater for the reactor. In this case, we have the HL4 connected to the reactor, set to 37 degrees to mimic biological temperatures. Our recirculating cooler line is used to replace tap water, and in this case we have it connected to a condenser set to 5 degrees Celsius. So this is an economic product that replaces the use of tap water to conserve our precious resources. So here we have our TW12 water bath. We have a series of high-quality water baths that are ranging from 2 to 20 liters. This goes up to 99.9 degrees C with 0.2 degrees C stability. We also have a range of accessories from a clear plastic top, in addition to a variety of inserts for test tubes and other flasks or whatever that the scientists would want to hold at a particular temperature. Next to it we have our FT402. This is one of our immersion coolers. This particular unit has an external PT100 sensor that you can place at the application and then actually set the desired temperature, and the unit will control it to that particular temperature. This system has a dumbbell-like tip that controls the temperature of the fluid that it's placed into.